Now let's see the types of constructors that are in Java. There are two types. One is default and second one is parameterized. So default is when a constructor doesn't have any parameters or arguments. It is called default constructor. Example is, see here we have a class name college, and in this we have a constructor. Why this is called constructor? Because it is same as that of class name. And what is the next point? When this constructor is invoked, it is invoked during object creation. And do we need any objects to invoke? No. Okay, so whenever the compiler sees this college, that is constructor, the definition, the compiler move to its definition and prints the system.out.println. So your output will be welcome to ABC Engineering College. Here if you see, we do not pass any parameters to this, so it is called as default constructor. Okay, so the second one is parameterized. That means we will pass the arguments to the constructor. It is called parameterized constructor. The example is, see here we have a class named student. Okay, in this, see here, this is the constructor. So because same as that of class name student, and here what we have passed, two arguments. One is of integer data type and another one is string. So that's why it is called as parameterized constructor. And when it is invoked during object creation. So this is the constructor. When the compiler sees this, that is student, it understand it is a constructor because it is same as that of class name, for which we have passed two arguments. So it searches for the definition and it moves here, and in this if you see, I is equal to 101 and this n is equal to Anu. Okay, so here we have declared two local variable, that is id and name, for which we assign id is equal to I. What is the I value? 101. What is the value of name? N. What is n? Anu. Okay, so we have assigned two local variable to avoid confusion, because if we assign I here, it will get confused, right? So we declare two local variables and we assign the values of these argument to the local variable. That's all, to avoid confusions. Okay, in this what is the value of id? 101. Name is Anu. And we have another method called display. How it is invoked? Method using object. So yes dot display. Okay, when the compiler sees this, it moves here and prints this system.out.println. That's all. What is the value of id? 101. Your output is 101 space, what is name? Anu. This is your output. Hope you are clear. If you have any doubt, let me know. I'll explain in next video.